Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome again. So today we are going to study about median. Already I have explained you what is the definition of median and what exactly median is. Median means middle. So we have different representative values, okay, of the data handling, right? For the data handling, representative values for data handling is, first we had seen mean, okay, and next is median, and the third one would be mode. Okay, so what was mean? Mean means average value. So mean had is representing what is representative data. That means that these values will represent the whole data, right? For example, we had seen the example of Rajender, right? What was his example? He had done some practice sessions, right? So for every day some minutes he had done practice sessions. So he will not say on Monday I practiced 20 minutes, Tuesday 35 minutes, Wednesday 40 minutes, something like that to his teacher. When the teacher has asked him how much of practice he has done, he would answer, or to anyone he would in general say, on an average of 30 minutes I had practiced every day. He can answer it in this kind of simple way, which is representing his whole data, right, of his studies, right? Now similarly, if you have a scenario like already I've shown you what is median, right? So median represents the middle value, okay, and we had seen two examples. So we had 1 3 3 6 7 8 9. So we will every time whenever you do this, or data should be sorted, that is it should be in ascending or descending order, okay. And we are going to describe the it becomes more descriptive of the data than the average, that is mean, okay. How is that exactly? So the 6 represents the middle value with of your on the left side and also of the right side, okay. If you see some scenario like you have let me take this example, show you. You have a office. In an office you have scenario like in an office, the different salaries are there. For the manager there are 10 workers totally in an office, okay, and the manager, including manager, it had become 11 now, right? So there are 11 totally worker, or you can say people who are getting salary, including the manager. So it is 11, right? So see now, why can't I represent this data with the mean? What is mean? Average, right? So if taking average salaries of these people, does it make any sense? It doesn't say anything, it doesn't represent anything about the data, right? So the average mean, see, when you calculate, look at this, it doesn't even represent the when you calculate the mean of the salary. How do you calculate the mean of these salaries? All the salaries you will add them up with, that is add all the observations to number of observations. So I have now how many observations? 11. So I overall mean I'm getting at 7, this much. How much it is? 7272.72. This mean is, it is even not even representing the salary of the manager, neither any worker. It's not giving us any information about the data, isn't it? So if I take now the middle value of these salaries, what do you understand by that? It's easy for you to, when you are representing it in the first ascending order, okay. Let me write this data in ascending order now, all right, or descending, any order you need to write them in order, All right, so let me write it in order. So 3300, and next 3500, next big number, you have 3500 three times. Okay, then 4000, then 4200, 4200, and then 4300, 4500, then 5000, then 40,000. This is the salary of the manager who have the highest salary, right? So we have 11 observations out of 11. So exact middle value would be how much? Middle observation will be sixth observation. So 1 2 3 4 5, this one will be my middle. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 observations, this side 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 5 10, and this one will be 11. So sixth observation, it is the median or middle value of the salaries. So this represents that the salaries in this company is it's above or below 4200. You isn't it, you are giving some sense to the data which is being given. So it is representing the value of this, the representing value of this total data. Okay, so in such scenarios we go for what? Median. Okay, so mode is again we will study further. I hope you understood this. So median is what? The middle value. Now the same example, if we extend it more, all right. So I say that in the company, one more worker, new worker is being added to the company. Okay, and his salary is 4,000. All right. So again, all this you are arranging in order, ascending order or descending order. Here it is in ascending order. So you have 3300, 3500, and so on. So how many observations now? Before it were 11. Now one more employee's new worker has been added. So it will be totally 12 observations, right? So what will be my middle value now? Yes, it will be 6th and 7th, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5, this one. Okay, 6 and 7, 1 2 3 4 5. So this side 5, this side 5, 10, and two values I'll get in the middle. That is the you will say that it lies between them. So here we will add these two values, 4000 and 4200, and I will divide it by 2. That is how I will get median. Okay, so the median, thus the median salary will be, what is the middle salary will be? It is 4100. All right. So this is how the median gives sense to this kind of scenario given data. Okay, which is the representative value of the whole data, isn't it? So we can say that the median salary or middle salary is 4100 in such scenarios. All right. Okay, so let me take some exercise problems. All right, or you have one more textbook problem here. It's given in 8th problem, example 8 example. The monthly income of 7 graduates is 8,000 to 9,000, 8,200, 7,900, 8,500, 8,600, and 60,000. They are asking us to find the median income. Median income means middle income. Okay, so which is the middle income of all these graduates? All right, so we have it is given 7 observations are there. So my middle value will be how much? You need to divide it by 2. This will be 2 2 3s are 6. Okay, so the plus this is 0.5, you will get something like that. So it will be the 4th position will be the middle. So you need to first arrange them in ascending order or descending order. Okay, So my fourth position, here it is in order. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, third will be my middle value, right? So 1, 2, 3, 3 on this side, and yeah, I was correct. Fourth will be the middle value. So 3 on this side and 3 on this side, 6, 7, isn't it? So 8,500 is the middle value or middle income of the graduates. All right, let's see one of the exercise problem now. So let's see exercise problem for the median. Okay, you have fourth exercise 3, fourth problem. Let's go from back. How many distinct sets of 3 positive integers have a mean of 6 and a median of this is for both the three this thing, it's not for only median. So we will do one thing. We will first complete all mean median mode. You have in this exercise 3 all the mix of three this thing representative values. All right, so after that we will come for exercise 3. All right, so we are now left out with one of the representative values called mode, and I think I will take some examples of mean today and stop it, and I'll continue with the mode in the next video. All right, so in your textbook they had asked us to try this. Can you do it by yourself? A data of 10 observations has a minimum value 15. Okay, it has 10 observations. Okay, and minimum value is 15, maximum value is 25. Okay, so what is the mean of data? So can you calculate mean of data when the maximum and minimum value is given to you out of 10 observations? Okay, so you have maximum as 25 and minimum as 15. Oops, okay, so sorry. So, yeah. So 10 observations have minimum value 15 and maximum value is 25. So what is the property of a mean? We know that mean lies between the minimum value and maximum value, right? So minimum value, this is less than, mean is less than minimum value, minimum value is less than mean, and it lies in the between the maximum and minimum and maximum value, right? So our minimum it is 15 and maximum is what? It is 25. So it lies in between this, right? If you look at the first option 12, so 12 it comes it is more less than 15, so mean doesn't be 12, right? Mean can't be 12. What about 15? It is the minimum value. Mean lies between minimum and maximum. It can't be minimum and maximum. Okay, in between. So that will be your mean. Okay, so even this can't be 15, can't be the option. 21 will be where, yeah, maybe 21 is one of the option. Okay, what about 27? 27 is after 25, so 27 can't be the mean value, so our option 21 will be the correct one. Okay, now think about the second this thing. Observations of data are this. Okay, without actual calculation, choose the mean of the data. They are asking us to choose the mean of the data without actual calculations. So since you need to use the same property, mean lies between the maximum and minimum values. Okay, think about it and do this. If you're not able to do it, you can ask me in the Zoom meeting. Okay, so let me take one exercise problem, and the rest exercise problems we will do in our Zoom meeting. It's given maximum daytime temperatures of Hyderabad in a week from 26th February to 4th March. Okay, 26, okay, are recorded as, so it is given temperatures here, and they're asking us what is the maximum temperature of the week. So 1 week, 26th Feb to 4th of March, it will be more than 1 week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is exactly 1 week, right? Okay, so what you'll do, you'll first arrange this data in ascending order or descending order, anything. So let's go from smallest value to biggest. So 26 is for smallest, then 27, already it is in order. Okay, so anyway, they are asking us to find the maximum temperature of the week. So maximum temperature of the week is 32. It's not in order, so let me place this in order. 30, 30, then comes 32, 32 two times, then 33. So 33 is the maximum temperature of the week, right? 33 degrees centigrade. What is the average temperatures of the week? Add all these and divide by 7. That will be your average temperature of the week. All right, so as these mean problems are again easy, we can do this in the class as well. Now it's almost 17 minutes. I think we can stop for today till here. We are now left out with the mode, and after that we are going to see the presentation. These are representative values of the data handling. Now after that we will see the data presentation. Okay, data is presented in the form of charts, that is bars, okay, double bars. So all these things we are going to look in this chapter. So let us looking at the definition, okay, of mode. Mode means number of times of occurrence of the data, okay, that is highest frequency, you can say. We will discuss this in the next video. Until I come up with a new video, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi